What's poppin', YouTube? Meek G and
What's that?
CC. Back with another video. You feel us?
I look ratchet. It's been a long day, y'all.
It ain't been that long.
Yes, it has.
Nah. Yeah, man. Today has actually been a good day, though. Good day today.
Yeah.
And Honeydew doesn't know, but it's gonna be a good week for her. But she doesn't know, but she doesn't know.
You said what? What did you say?
Nothing.
Okay, y'all. So we just got something and we're excited.
What we was telling y'all before, like when we were sitting here on the stoop, how we finna upgrade in life. Honey, it's not on me.
Oh, sorry.
How we were gonna upgrade in life, and you know, we got things coming. We got big things coming. So I don't know, just life finna be different.
So we just got a new car today, and are y'all ready to see it? This is my new car. It's our new car for our family. It's a Honda Pilot.
Hold on, wait, come here. They just gotta see the size difference. Look how big that thing is compared to mine. Now, when she had her Sonata, y'all, her car was a little smaller than mine. But now look at this thing, huge.
Yeah, y'all, I'm not used to driving a car this freaking big, so I'm scared a little bit. But I'm sure I'll get used to it in a second.
Show them the inside. I guess we're gonna do a cartoon.
But yeah, this is the inside. It's leather seats.
Don't slam the thing. Oh, that's super spacious.
It's 3 rows, so cause you know
3-row SUV. You feel us? We're not playing no games.
We about to have 3 kids, so we need all the space we can get. Here's the back. Don't look at the license plate. It's a big ass car, y'all.
It's taller than me.
I never had a car this huge before. Like, I'm literally baffled to the core.
Yeah, I know we're about to go pick up your chocolate.
Yeah. But right now we're about to go get Kai. He's gonna be excited for his new car. And then we're about to.
You need your car seat.
It's at my mom's house.
Okay.
And then we're going to get something to eat. And then later on we're going to Elijah and Chantel's, because they just got a cat, so they want us to bring our cat to meet their cat. So we're not taking G, because G has his problems. So G's staying here. And yeah.
G will have his time, but he'll have his time when he get himself together. That boy right there is something else, just like Kai. But alright then, y'all. We're gonna catch y'all when we get a little chocolate, man. We forgot to show y'all this too. This is hard. Y'all see that? Look at just all the space, just everywhere. Look. Just space everywhere.
Alright, let me charge my phone.
Alright, that's the end of it this time for real. Peace. Alright, y'all, look who we got. Kai. So you got a ponytail?
Y'all, we just took his hair down, so it looks a little ratchet. Don't judge.
See y'all. But we back, you feel us, and guess who we got too? I mean, who else we got, I should say. Pierre. So Pierre's about to go meet his little cousin, Cheese It, you feel me? So they can have a little play date. So we on the way to Shandy and Eli's now. You got something to say? Huh? You gonna meow? That ain't got to do, you about to drop it. Yeah, we're gonna get some to eat, and then we're gonna be at Eli's and Shandy's. And that's about it, y'all. We'll see y'all when we get there, I guess. You feel us?
Peace.
Here, say you feel me. There you go. What's poppin', y'all? He under there. What's poppin', y'all? We here at Elijah and Shandy's now. I got Reese the kid here.
No!
Look. So we got Cheez-It and Pierre, and then Pierre's over here getting his stat again. Cheez-It, come here.
Come here. Cheez-It.
Shani and Kai. Kai, y'all don't look at this. Please don't pay attention to that.
It'll be fixed tomorrow, y'all.
Come on, Cheez-It. He's mad now. I don't care. Stop being mean.
Cheese, come here. There you go.
Now say hi to your cousin.
Kai, say Cheez-It.
Cheez-It.
Cheese up.
He's like, I don't even want the toy that much.
Oh, I'm about to
Let me hold him right quick. Let me put him in the ball. Come here.
Like, I am like,
Alright, y'all. So say hi to Cheez-It. I don't know why everybody getting cats now, but here he is. You got something to say? Say hola. This is Shani and Eli's new kitten. His name is Cheez-It. He's really cute and he's really fluffy and soft. You feel this? And then they over here just playing the game.
Look at him being a bully. Better not
Playing the game?
Yeah, Kai over here thinking he playing the game, thinking he's going off.
God.
Uh-oh, we got people dying.
Look, he react to that though. He about to
Y'all both dead?
No, Cheez-It.
They had the same scope I had.
You got something to say for yourself? Oh, look at that face. Look at that face.
Not scared of him.
The face of doubt.
Oh my
First of
God.
all, I got a big brother that will handle.
Y'all see that?
We should have won. At least the kills we had.
Nigga, who was fucking eating, nigga?
Look at them kills, y'all. Ain't nobody playing. They probably lost, but they was on in.
Tyrese's best game.
Don't play with me, bitch. No, it wasn't.
Hey, language, y'all. Whoop your ass.
Damn, man.
You too.
We mad. This is serious. Shut up.
Boy, shut up. It ain't my fault y'all lost.
It is if you get the camera out of my face.
What? What the camera got to do with it? I just started recording, boy.
Man.
But yeah, we heard this one is another crazy one, just like G. And he's territorial.
And 8 kills.
But he's straight though.
2,500.
He's a good kid.
Dang, it's actually gonna be a headache.
Where did Pierre go?
All that arguing.
Oh, he back there in the corner. What you doing, man? They want to see you. Come out here.
We all there had 7. We had 29 kills. Dang, we killed 29 at the lobby.
No.
150. Malik.
So what?
So, me, Devon, Jay, and Tyrese killed 29 of 150 people.
Come here. Here.
I mean,
Right
but-
here, right here.
How many did the people that won kill? Did it show?
We left, we rage quitted.
Y'all rage quit.
I ain't rage quit.
Yeah, rage quit because I'm in control.
I know.
Kai, how many kills you got?
Come here.
Yeah, 7.
Say 7?
Malik,
7?
Look at.
I think your channel
There you go,
wants
good
to
job.
play. So basically they want to see a swap of me and the camera.
Hell no, nigga, I'm trash.
Just come on. You gotta play with the boys.
Look at it. I got 1 kill.
And I don't like.
Don't play with me. But when we played that game, how many kills I got, Elijah? Stop playing with me.
What's poppin', YouTube? So it's the next day and we're going to oh, I can even say it's the set. What's poppin', YouTube? It's the set and
Big G.
so it's the next day and we're going to well, first we gotta go get Kai. He's at his grandma's house spending the night, and then we have to go to the store, but we're going to Elijah and Chantel's for breakfast. Oh, we gotta grab this skillet. I need the key. But yeah, we're about to go have breakfast over there, making pancakes, French toast, eggs, bacon. So we'll get back to y'all in a second. We'll get back to y'all when we go get my child. Peace.
Yes.
Alright, y'all, so we're back. I just got Kai. Kai, say hi.
Why you say it so low?
Say hi. Say hey. Say hey. Say good morning.
There you go. Good
Yeah.
job, man.
So We on our way to the store now. And we're about to go get some stuff to make breakfast over at Chantel and Elijah's house. You have anything to say?
Yeah, I got something to say.
Malik's driving our car, our new SUV.
Anyway, y'all, it feel like negative 4.2 degrees in Eli and Shaden house, so that's why we got like all this extra clothes. That's all I gotta say.
They keep their temperature on 68, and I'm scared to the core. Is that all you had to say?
Yeah, that's all I had to say. That's why we overdressed.
All right, y'all, we gonna catch y'all when we get to their house, or are we gonna record in the store?
We're not gonna record in the store. We're just gonna be in and out.
Okay, so we'll catch y'all when we get to their house. Peace. All right, y'all, we're back at Chantel and Elijah's house.
What's up? What's up, YouTube?
Where did you?
The who?
The sugar.
And the up top.
But they're making breakfast right now.
What's poppin', y'all? You feel me? Meet Jen, Elijah Mom in the building. I don't know why we ain't here cooking, but okay.
Man.
Irritated.
Hey, cut that out. Cut that out.
But yeah. What's all for breakfast?
So we got some bacon. About to make the French toast right here. We got the Texas toast. Elijah Mom got the eggs and the
You know what? That's a big surprise.
We'll show y'all that last.
And we got some sausage right here, you feel us? What's in here?
Pancakes.
Oh,
Pancakes.
we got pancakes.
Perfectly.
Fluffy pancakes that Elijah made.
You know, they're just perfect.
Are you gonna say something?
I don't know why I didn't say nothing. I forget.
Are you gonna say something, Tyrese?
Didn't I just say no?
Say something.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
I can't fucking, it's too
Come on,
dark.
Kai, we gotta win.
Oh!
Chantel, oh my god, that is scary. Y'all look at her eyes. I'm scared.
Oh, shoot.
She just put her eye drops in. That's scary.
I'll be trying not to laugh.
Kai, are you gonna say hi?
What?
Kai,
Are you gonna say hi?
you play the game.
Just talking about getting sugar.
Y'all, his hair still looks a mess. I'm washing it today, but just disregard that. But we'll get back to y'all when the food is
Elijah, I gotta eat something right now so I can.
when the food is done.
Eat a little bit of cereal or something.
Alright, y'all, we almost done. You wanna record?
Yeah, I'm gonna record.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm in my pajamas, so we're not gonna be seeing me right now. So right now we got Meek G, Chef G,
Oh, yeah.
Chef Meek, cooking up the sausages. We got some cinnamon French toast over here. Already know. We got Eli in the cut.
Eli in the cut. Do you cut those in sticks? These?
We got 16 head over here with the fake waves. We got Sasette G. What is that?
What's your last name?
Dang, I was gonna say it. I knew it. Where you think the Sasette came from?
I mean, I get two, right?
I'm just stupid. I should have known that though. We got Kai. Do you like the cat, Kai? He's like, I am not talking to you.
Kai, is the kitty cat?
He's too occupied playing. They're matching.
Oh, with the green?
Yeah.
They're in the same litter.
Back in the kitchen.
But yeah.
They ain't making no progress.
What?
Alright, you don't get none of that.
Okay, we're gonna end this vlog, or this section of it right here. How you turn this off?
We made so much hitting button. Hey.
I don't know if I turned it off.
We should have like.
Alright, y'all, so we finished with the food, you feel us?
Oh, I need to make one. Well, a video.
Oh yeah. Me and Elijah put the work in.
Me and Cece cooked all this.
No, hell no.
You don't lie, right? Like that. Clean your receipts.
We did. We made the bacon, and that's on period because I worked it. So.
We was gone.
We gonna have to insert that picture of that shit because that was disgusting.
How we gonna do this? Tari, you probably gotta do it because you on the corner. Well, I'm on the corner too.
Feel like right here.
You about to record this?
No, we was gonna do it. But Elijah was finna pray.
We're having a family breakfast.
Come on.
Boy, you come down, boy. That shit look fire.
Alright, we're about to pray, man.
You gotta pray.
Right. I can't take a bite. I'm sorry, can I kill it?
Sorry, just irritate you. Probably not, because you do stuff like that too.
Like, why does that have to be so high?
Why y'all hating?
Have you ever seen Elijah put his noodle packet seasoning on? He does all professional, like.
That's not what I think.
Okay, y'all doing too much.
Alright. Lord Jesus, thank you for bringing us all together this morning to cook breakfast, actually this afternoon. Thank you for this food and letting us see another day. And Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Alright, hey y'all, we gonna stop it there so we can bang it out. You feel us?
Oh, just two. Did you wash them out?
I don't know what to press you to.
Did you wash up the pills or no?
Yeah, what about crust to stop this?
The red button.
Up top?
No, the red button. I mean, you can click that in front. Alright guys, we banged up that food and everybody got the itis now, so everybody's sleeping. So we about to go.
I don't want us to get in a bad mood already.
Let's look at this guy. Adios.
Adios, amigos. That food was hitting.
Hell yeah.
Eli.
So now I'm knocked out.
Eli. Use a bitch.
Bye.
Bye. Come on, Kyle. Let's go. Let's get up out of here.
Yeah. Adios, Shani. I hope she wasn't even on there.
He said bye, bye. That's what he said, bye, bye.
You saying bye?
Bye, Kai.
Good job, man.
Lock the door. Okay.
You good, man? Yeah. I got honeydew some flowers.
Oh, good out here.
Smell good as hell because of us. Huh? Big high up, but alright, y'all.
I'll give you these bangers.
Probably get off here.
He ain't finished bucking you up. He tried you. There.
Alright, y'all, the vlog finna end here. We finna just take Tyrese home and then that'll be the end of it. You got something to say? Chocolate, you got something to say? You wanted to say hi, see? You want something to say, honey? Bye. Alright, y'all, peace.